Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have Aditya, VIT Bhopal student of AI and ML. He has some questions from his student perspective. Please.
Hello everyone. My first question is who is actually a software engineer is and why the overhyped topic DSA is necessary for?
Okay, so thanks Aditya for the question. So this is some one of the questions that I have been frequently asked by my juniors and lot of other people who have mentored before. So I will just answer this in a brief way. So software engineering field is something in which you do coding, but not only coding. You have to understand business requirements from the product, as well as communicate with business, product, and other teams. You have to think through edge cases, feasibility, optimization, and then implement. That is the coding part. So, soft DSA is something through which the candidates are filtered on their thinking skills. So, DSA directly relates to the software engineering field, in which in DSA also during the coding interviews you are supposed to be a good thinker, good communicator, thinking of edge cases, thinking of optimization, and then implement. So it's basically same relation. So that's where it gets related, and it's so much of an indispensable part of the software engineering domain. So Aditya, thanks for asking this question. We will have a long form discussion, and we will add the description in the description below. We will add the link of the long form video. Thanks.